will be your spacious living and dining area. This will be your kitchen area where you will get two. This is the space where you can place your beds. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Avenue 18 by Sajay Developers located in Bandra East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. That is also the actual land parcel of the project, and you can see the construction of the tower is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres, which is a standalone tower with 2 wings, having ground plus 22 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also Jodi option is available. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, jogging track, kids play area, and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kher Nagar, Bandra East, from where Bandra railway station is only 5 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 3 minutes, BKC is only at a distance of 10 minutes drive, International Airports is only 15-minute drive, and Worli Ceiling is also at a distance of 15 minutes drive, and school, colleges and hospital is within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we will be doing the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Avenue 18. Before that, I would like to tell you that we are standing in the actual lobby of the project. This is the second floor and each floor comes with 4 flats and 3 lifts. As you can see, this is the actual lobby, which is the L-shaped lobby. And now, let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, first you will get a digital lock on the door, and this will be your spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can place a 2-side sofa in your living with center tables and side tables, and also decorate and design your TV unit. You will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. You can place swings, tea tables and tea chairs in this balcony and enjoy the view with your family. Moving forward, over here we have a dining area where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. As you can see, the living and dining is very spacious as you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all the furniture. And you will be getting fully furnished flats by the builder. Now moving to the kitchen. This will be your kitchen area where you will get 2 parallel platforms, and then you can design your lower cabinets and upper cabinets. You will be getting a stainless steel sink, and you have place provided beside one of the platforms to place your washing machine. And in this corner, you can place your refrigerator. You will be also getting ventilation windows in the kitchen. Now, let's move to the bedrooms. Over here, we have 2 bedrooms. First, in this corner, we have the common washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king-size bed along with the side tables, and you can also customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will also be getting full French windows provided in this bedroom. Now let's move to the first master bedroom. Right beside the common bedroom is our first master bedroom. As you can see, the foyer is very spacious that will give your bedroom full privacy. This is the space of your first master bedroom where you can easily place king size bed along with the side tables, and over here you will get full French windows with a glass railing provided ahead of it to give you full safety and a beautiful view. Over here you can customize your wardrobe, and if you want you can also build lofts. And this is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. So next to the kitchen, we have our largest master bedroom where you will get a walk-in wardrobe in the starting. You can customize your wardrobe over here and also on the opposite corner over here. Next to which we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This is the space where you can place your beds, your side tables, and you can also make a small seating area in the corner. And over here you will get full French windows with a glass railing provided ahead of it to give you full safety. As you can see, you have plenty of walkable space after placing all the furniture in the bedroom. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Avenue 18. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Avenue 18 by Sajay Developers located in Bandra East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.